Okay, so this is a early demo here, just sort of showing basic concept. You can see that the eyeball is moving with me. You'll notice it's moving in kind of opposite direction. That's because, of the whole mirror thing. So if you're seeing me here, the eyeball is actually following my face along the screen. And yeah, it's pretty basic at this point. You can see there sometimes in the background we have false positives. That's something I'm working to eliminate. Basically, I'm just trying to find the right threshold so that we only really call it a match if we have something that remains persistently detected as a face over a period of time, and also kind of working on using things like size of the area detected to try to determine faces that are closer versus farther. Really, to get true depth here, we'd need two cameras. Don't have that working yet. That's something I'm thinking about integrating, but I'm hoping maybe I can make this work well enough with one camera and some on-site calibration.